Hi, I'm Nathan Watkins, and I started Seattle Line Communications 30 years ago. And today I'm going to show you how to double your revenues while helping your customer reduce costs by eliminating your commissions. Check this out. So let's say you have a customer that's spending $1,000 a month with you and you're making 15% commission. This is what happened to us. We were earning 150 bucks a month. When I realized I could just drop this commission to zero, and that would reduce my customer's retail cost by 50%. I called that customer and said, Dan, I know how to reduce your cost 50%, but we would have to eliminate our commissions. If you agree to share in the savings with us month to month, 50-50, for as long as you're using our solution, do you want to do it? He said, hell yeah, hot damn. And that's what we did. So we had parallel business models. So we had existing base of clients that were earning commissions, but we just moved them over. I more than doubled. Well, Nathan, so you made 250. So in this case, we made 250 a month instead of 150. That's not quite, doubling our revenue. Look, man, if you are not finding overcharges, refunds, credits, a paradigm shift, moving them from PRI to SIP or other things, if you are not finding a full doubling your revenue here, you're doing something wrong. Okay, give me a call. I will help you out for free. So why am I telling you all this? Because I'm sick of Telecom. I have found another way to save our clients so much more, and we share in the savings. It's ridiculous, guys. When I started this business, Telecom was 26 cents per minute. And you're thinking, well, cellular is free per minute. A cell phone in today's dollar back then would be $13,000 per minute. $3 per minute. There's no money. You're on a race to zero, guys. If you're not on the saving side of this business, you're on the wrong side, guys. You're gonna have to sell more and more and more. You're not on the saving side. I make more when the costs go down. All right. If you want to talk more about this, man, this is how I doubled my revenue. Okay. And I basically maintained for 16 years. I basically did nothing. I didn't put one client on it 16 years. And this is the way to go, okay, for sure. And I get paid forever. For as long as that customer is using this service, the solution we come up with, we get paid forever. And I want to show you how to make more money than you ever thought possible. You're only getting one item on their P&L. Why not get 30, 40, 50, 100 line items and commissions that are more than Telecom? It's ridiculous. So give me a call. I want to talk to you about this and how this works and why I would never, ever, freaking ever go back to what I was doing before. All right. I hope this has been helpful to you. Talk to you soon.